When we look up at the night sky, we tend to project our own earthly comforts onto the stars. We dream of pristine new oceans and quiet cosmic frontiers, imagining a universe of untouched worlds waiting for us to settle down and plant a flag. Space is no playground. It is an active crime scene of horrific physics. If we ever reached the most extreme corners of our galaxy, we wouldn't find tropical getaways. We would find environments specifically optimized to creatively and instantly annihilate human life. The cosmos is full of traps. Judging a celestial body by its superficially inviting cover is the deadliest mistake an observer can make. Gliese 436b, located 30 light-years away, appears to be a winter wonderland. It is a compact, Neptune-sized world completely covered in water ice. But the surface temperature is nearly 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, a heat that should instantly vaporize any liquid or solid water. Gliese 436b's extreme gravity crushes atmospheric water vapor into an exotic solid called Ice X. Above, intense ultraviolet light from the host star strips away the hydrogen atmosphere, forming a comet-like tail stretching 10 million miles, dwarfing the planet. On Gliese 436b, extreme gravity overrides basic chemistry. You're left with an icy surface that would instantly burn your face off. If you're looking for something more familiar, HD 189733b looks like a peaceful blue marble. From a distance, its azure glow suggests deep, tranquil oceans. That blue color actually marks an atmosphere saturated with silicate particles. On this world, it rains molten glass. The weather here moves at 5,600 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound, turning the molten rain into a horizontal storm of liquid shrapnel. This superficially beautiful world is a supersonic meat grinder, easily the worst place in the cosmos for a stroll. Deep in space, 3 planets named Draugr, Poltergeist, and Phobetar orbit the remains of a dead star. It appears to be a quiet, uneventful graveyard. When their parent star died in a supernova, the core collapsed into a hyperdense pulsar, firing beams of intense radio waves. The pulsar's extreme magnetic field causes massive electrical currents to arc across the vacuum of space, striking the orbiting planets directly. This constant electrical bombardment creates permanent, beautifully deceptive auroras that fill the planetary skies. What looks like a peaceful graveyard is actually a radioactive trap wrapped in a fatal undead light show. Not every planet has a star. Rogue planets drift in total isolation, far from the heat and violence of a traditional solar system. These worlds were ejected from their home systems as babies, thrown out by gravitational chaos to wander the pitch-black void alone. On one world 6 times the mass of Jupiter, the sky is a constant downpour of molten iron falling through absolute darkness. These starless worlds outnumber the stars in our galaxy by 20 to 1. For every sun you see, there are 20 of these hidden, lightless hellscapes. Trillions of these lonely worlds drift through the galaxy in permanent solitary confinement, a dark, silent majority that will never know the warmth of a star. Statistically speaking, space is aggressively awful. Most of the universe is actively trying to melt, crush, or electrocute anything that enters it. Remember those horizontal molten glass storms the next time you feel like complaining about a drizzly Tuesday afternoon. Earth's boring, non-face-melting environment is the greatest anomaly in a nightmare universe. The smartest move is just to stay home.